One other thing about staging, and this is extremely important, and I found this to be extremely helpful to people. Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Jerry McManus here for another video. I'm here to talk to you about a very, very important subject. I cannot stress this enough. It's why staging is so important. I always laugh because I hire a professional photographer to do my photography, and people always have horror stories of the pictures of people's houses that they see online. Those houses may still sell, ladies and gentlemen, but they do not sell for the prices that they should be selling for. Now, I have seen way too many cases in my career where people left tens of thousands of dollars on the table because they didn't feel like doing some of the work. One of the most important things about staging is so that people get to see what it is that they're buying, not your stuff. Well, let's go over some of that work that you absolutely need to do. Number one, cleaning. Cleaning sells, ladies and gentlemen, and specifically, think bathrooms, think kitchen. I have seen showers that have black mildew in them. This is not attractive, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen people have their kitchens look like the U.S. Third Army just went through. This is not a good idea. You do not want dirty plates in the sink. You do not want dirty dishes in the dishwasher. You do not want food, that includes your cereal boxes, being left out. You want all this stuff to be able to put away and minimized. One of the greatest mistakes that I made, this is going back probably 15 years in my career, hardwood floors. People have these wonderful hardwood floors. And what do? They put area rugs over them. So when you're taking pictures of an otherwise perfectly staged house, guess what you do not see? One of the key features to the house that you're looking to buy. So please remove those area rugs so people can see your nice hardwood floors in the picture. Won't take long, won't change your lifestyle at all, but what it does do is it presents a picture that's complete about your house. One other thing about staging, and this is extremely important, and I found this to be extremely helpful to people. Inside your closets, only have the clothes that are in season. Take everything, because you're getting ready to move anyhow, so start packing. But the things that you're gonna start packing are, if it's June, pack your winter clothes. For sure, your fall and your winter clothes. So get rid of those things so that folks can see the house and it's opened up. It's less clutter. You appreciate the space that's there a little bit better. And it's not like, and I always use an example when I'm talking to my people of like a Bugs Bunny cartoon where they open up the closet and everything just pours out on top of them. We want to avoid that, ladies and gentlemen, so that people can see the space that's in your house, especially if your house is like, say, 1,400 to 2,000 square feet. It's a little bit smaller, but this is where you can start appreciating the space that's there more and more. So remember, straighten up, clean up, do the detailed cleaning that you definitely need to do in both your bathrooms and your kitchen. Thanks again for spending a little bit of time with me discussing real estate. I encourage you to be able to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that we can stay in touch, and we'll see you again on the next video. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.